Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on another episode of Getting to Know Postech Ontario. On today's episode, we're going to Peterborough to meet with Kim Lepalm and Travis Alison, and they're going to show us how everything's done, from installing piles to answering phone calls. So, let's hit the road.
My name is Kim Lepalm. My position here at Postech Peterborough is General Manager, and I look after just about everything except installing. I've been with Postech since March 2015. I met my hubby who purchased the territories in 2012, and when we got together I just set up the home office and he put me to work, and I've been working ever since. And I love it, it's great. We have Peterborough County, Kawartha Lakes County, and Northumberland County. It's great being out here. We've got the property, we've got the yard, the transport pulls up, we bring up our old beast, the forklift, and take off our order, and away he goes down the highway. The first contact, I get their name, their phone number, and then we start talking about the piles, what their project's going to be, whether it be a deck, a sunroom, addition, house, cabin. Then I will ask them to send me a drawing so I can do a quote, proper quote for them.
My name is Travis Alison, and I'm the lead installer for Postech Peterborough. Do you enjoy my job? You're outside every day. It does have its challenges, spring and fall, when it's a little colder out. So when I load up in the yard to go, it's not just piers I have in the truck, it's extra fuel, it's a shovel, a dig bar, anything that I need for that day. When I'm on site, safety is my main concern, just watching it. People want to watch, so you have to make sure they're watching from a safe distance. So I get stopped at, I get waved at, I have people waiting on my trailer when I get back to it. People are just curious and friendly. It's definitely a unique job. It looks a lot easier than what it is. Something different will pop up, a different obstacle will pop up, but you have to overcome that. I never get to see the finished products, but it's starting off on a solid foundation. I believe customer service is number one, to make the customers feel comfortable with the product and to do an excellent job.
They call and they tell you how their install went, and I get so many compliments on customer service. My favorite aspects for working for Postech, everything. I love it. They all are saving so much time and energy and money to get their job started and finished faster, so I love it.